All right, so this is for my fifth assignment. We were supposed to make a game using the keyboard interactions. So for this, I decided to go a little different. I decided to make a mystery game as I love the mystery and investigation games. So my concept was to create a game where we have mystery scenario, screens there will be, and the user will be called Detective Holmes. And so this game's name is the Hudson Manor Mystery. So basically, this is the first screen where you can see that there is a background created and there is like three characters that are defined to the user. Then we start with begin investigation. So here are the rules also. So basically, this is a detective, and I will use my arrow keys to move this detective around. Now, this is the first scene here, and then you can also see that for scene one, we have a study room, and then there is three clues, and we have to find all three clues. If we are unable to find the three clues, and let's suppose we are stuck in one scene, we can skip the scene and move to the next scene that I will show you in the next screen. And here the points. So each clue has 100 points. And whenever you find a clue, it will be added to the detective's notebook. And you will get, when you go on the clue, it will glow. And once you go on the clue, you press E to investigate. When you investigate, you will get a hint note. Like when I move the detective and then I go here maybe, and then I press E. So I get this hint note. So I can get closer to understanding who of amongst the three characters can be the killer of or the murderer. So to close this, I press escape button, and then you see one is added here, and then I go on the other, and then I press E, and then after reading this, I will press the escape button. Similarly, for this, I tried to add the transparency to all these images so that they are least visible. Now the transition occurs from scene 1 to scene 3. Now suppose I just saw one clue here, and then I am unable to find the other clues. So what I will do is that I will skip the scene. After skipping the scene, I'm on the last scene, which is the basement. In the basement, I just go through and maybe collect the points, and maybe I understand here that who is the killer actually. So I will choose the right killer in the end screen. So I keep doing this, and after this, I'm led to the last screen. And here, the instruction is press 1 if you think it's Victor Hudson, press 2 if it's Mrs. Doyle, and press 3 if it's Dr. Willie. So if it's Dr. Willie, and if it's correct, then you get this message and you get your score. So not everyone is able to score a 900 on 900. And yeah, so this was an error that occurred in my code earlier, but I changed it. So not everyone is able to score. And I added the skip button. So if somebody is stuck in on one scene, they can skip to the next scene. So you press play again, and then you are on the front screen. So if like this, you just end up last, and then you press the wrong person, then you will get this message. So that's all for my game. Thank you.